In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add MX records in Hostinger domain. Managing your email settings correctly is vital for ensuring your emails reach their destination without any hiccups. So let's dive right in and get this done. First, head over to your Hostinger website. If you haven't already, log into your Hostinger account. You'll find the Login button usually at the top of the page. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Hostinger panel, often called the H panel. Think of this as your central control hub for all things Hostinger. The next step is to find your way to the domain management section within the H panel. Look for something like Domains or My Domains. The exact wording might vary slightly. This section lists all the domains you've registered with Hostinger. Once you find it, click on it. You'll now see a list of your domains. Locate the specific domain you want to modify and click on the Manage button next to it. You might see a little gear icon or something similar. Just hover over your domain to see the options available. This action will take you to the domain management page. On this domain management page, you'll find several settings related to your domain. We're interested in the DNS settings, often labeled as DNS records or DNS management. Click on this to access the area where we'll add our MX records. This is where the magic happens. This section controls how your domain handles internet traffic, including email routing. Now you should see a list of existing DNS records and an option to add a new record. Look for a drop-down menu labeled Type. This menu lets you select the type of record you want to add. Since we're adding MX records for email, select MX from the drop-down. Once you've selected MX, you'll be prompted to enter the details for your MX record. You'll need the MX record values provided by your email provider. This usually involves a host name and a priority number. Make sure you enter this information accurately, as even a small mistake can prevent emails from being delivered correctly. Carefully double-check everything before saving your changes. Hostinger will provide clear fields for you to fill in this information. After inputting everything, click the Save or Add Record button. And that's it. You've just learned how to add MX records in Hostinger domain. Remember to always double-check your entries to avoid email delivery issues. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to stay updated on more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.